What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about residential seal coating. We just got finished up with doing a 4,000 square foot residential driveway, and how we got this driveway is very interesting, and I'm going to tell you more about it later on in the video if you stick around, because this information is going to help you if you want to get more jobs and make more money. We're going to do a site walk because I need to make sure everything looks good before I bill the customer. So I'm going to flip the camera around, walk the job with you, talk to you about how we got it. Let's go. We started this job yesterday at about 11 o'clock. As you can see, it goes all the way down there to the road, wraps around here, then goes all the way around to the other side of the building. Let me take you over here first. What was particularly interesting about this job is that it had a lot of gator cracks. And that was an area of concern for the customer. He was interested in getting those gator cracks fixed. Obviously, it's a lot less expensive to use gator patch than it is to completely cut and remove and put new asphalt in. So I gave the customer the option of doing gator patch, which is cheaper for him, better for me, and at the end of the job, we both walk away satisfied. And ultimately, he did want to pursue the gator option. Another thing is, right here, I don't know if you can see it because of the glares, but there are tree roots underneath this asphalt driveway. So this is going to be broken up in a couple years. He just wanted to crack fill it and then seal coat it. It looks pretty good. We brushed almost this entire driveway too. You can't really see it, but this entire side was crumbling off. And what we did, you can see it whenever I get closer. See that? What we did is we just got some cold patch, put some cold patch on it, and then used that gator pave, and then went over that gator pave with that cold patch, and essentially fixed that area of concern. Of course, I told him though, on the cold patch areas, you know, I'm not able to offer a warranty because obviously the exterior of the asphalt was so deteriorated that I wouldn't feel comfortable offering a warranty, but I would do my best to make sure that it looks good. So we fixed that side over here, and we brushed it. There are some of our brush strokes. I probably should have changed out my brush. But it's not that bad. Pretty nice house. So we brushed this entire asphalt driveway. When we got closer to the woods, away from the house, and then away from the fences and stuff like that, we sprayed. So as we keep going, you can see the areas that we gatored. This is a pretty big driveway, 4,000 square foot. The total ticket price for this job was $4,016, with roughly around $1,000 in supplies. Because like I said, it did cost a lot of money for not only the sealer, but the gator patch, which was a bummer, but it was worth it because it made the customer happy. We got this job from a Facebook ad a couple of weeks ago. Justin ran me some Facebook ads. We weren't quite sure of the return that we were going to get because it was the first time that I ran some seal coating ads, but we got 2 people that wanted seal coating done. One of them was a commercial customer. That was a $14,000 crack fill seal coat and stripe. And then this residential driveway was a $4,000 residential driveway. So in total, off of about $675 in ads, we got $18,000 worth of seal coating work. I don't want to step on that because it's still wet. So we got $18,000 worth of seal coating work because we ran Facebook ads. And this is the same exact ad strategy that Justin teaches in the How to Stripe course. It's pretty bad. We're coming into fall. I got leaves falling all over my freshly sealed driveway. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell icon, and we will see you in the next video.